I'm Julia, I'm a CNCF ambassador, and I'm here today to tell you how you can come to KubeCon. You've heard KubeCon, Cloud Native Con on Twitter, on social media so much. If you want to get involved with the community, just start creating content, start contributing to open source, put yourself out there so you can meet more people. Opportunities will come your way. So just, you need to be brave and get out of your comfort zone. And I really recommend reading my friend's book. He's also a CNCF ambassador. You're gonna love it, you're gonna learn a lot. And if you have any questions, just reach out to me on social media and I would love to help you. And if you're here at KubeCon, you should take the most advantage of it. So you should go talk to the companies that are here, go to each booth, ask them about their products. You should connect with people. There are so many people here willing to network. You should go to the talks as well, but also know that the talks are gonna be recorded and you can watch them later. And enjoy as well, have fun. So there are so many parties, go to the parties, meet people, have fun. It's a great opportunity to network, maybe grow in your career, find a new job, make friends, who knows, maybe find a new open source project that you can contribute to. Because here they're always announcing new projects, they are giving you opportunities. Like here, people that are at KubeCon, they get 40% discount for any certification and training at CNCF. So they really want to help you grow, and it's an amazing opportunity. If you can, I would tell you, just come to KubeCon and get the most out of it.